Hi Creative Birdie family, how are you doing today? So we're back. We are going to be just playing with paint and slapping it onto the cereal box that we started in the last video. If you didn't watch the last video, I'll leave a link right here in the eye. You just use your mouse and your cursor will scroll over that eye. You sometimes need to click it, I'm not sure. And then all the recommendations will come up. Now, recommendations at the beginning of the video are different than the recommendations at the end of the video. So if you see the eye again towards the end of the video, click again and there'll be even more recommendations. And down below I'll link these videos. So just to recap, the colors on these cereal boxes are just the wipe away from creating these little birds here. Now, both of these birds have now been purchased already, so neither one are available. At one time one was, and the other one was available, one was sold. But since that last video I actually sold both. So, and I am the same person that bought these two. I have now purchased the third one. Thank you so very much. So I want to kind of match the backgrounds up with the actual image that I just showed you, the birds, the Creative Birdies. So I want it to somewhat match. Somewhat. My technique doesn't change. My style is my style, so it'll come through no matter what. But I would like to... I like the backgrounds already, but I would like to add some more stuff, some more color. So that's what we're going to do. And we're going to do it the way I do it, which is just splash color on and have fun. And that's what we're going to do. If you've watched my videos for a while, you'll know that this is how I create. I grab the colors that inspire me the most. And sometimes I'll use a brush. Sometimes I will go grab a credit card, any kind of card, gift card, and then I'm going to move those paints over. So I'm going to have a seat, turn our lights on, and I'm going to have a seat. And put my heating blanket on me because it's pretty cold. It's about 50, below 50 or 50? 50 degrees actually, not below 50. We would be frozen. Oh, I'm trying to grab my blanket. One of my dogs are on top of it. Okay. You need to share a blanket with Mom. Whew. So I'm thinking after we create these backgrounds, we'll call it done. And then I'll start creating our new postcard. Now remember, the postcards that I create, you can purchase them on my Patreon. That information will be down below. That's pretty. Very pretty. Very pretty. Remember, these colors get brighter once you're ready to put a top coat. So once it dries, it's going to dull out a little bit. I want to keep them in the same direction. Usually I don't care, but today I'm keeping these in the same direction. I'm getting the edges because most times I turn these edges into tabs for our journals, or I even make jewelry out of them. I do so many things. Okay, I say this one is basically done. That's gorgeous. Look at that. That's going to be the background to postcards. One which is already purchased, and then the rest will be available. But I think what I'm doing is once I get an order, then I come on here onto YouTube and I create it so that you guys can see my creations, what I'm making for a client, or what is available for you, or what I'm up to, and so that you guys can be inspired also. Remember, you can send these as postcards for Christmas cards, have me make them, and then have me mail them to the recipient. You can make these into gifts also. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. Up here I think I want to bring back some more of the teal. This teal's almost out. That is gorgeous. I really like that a lot. I have some left here, so I have tabs here. These are the end of the cereal boxes. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to turn it this way and do this. Oh, so pretty. I even do the ends like I mentioned because I do staple those onto my journals. And I like my white to come through most times, and this is one of those times. I think. There we go. Very pretty. So I made a set. They're the same but different at the same time. There's a lot of colors that we used. There. Very pretty. Okay, this is done. So all it's left is for me to dry it up. Just a tad bit. Very little. And then start cutting. I don't want to run my electric bill up. It's quite expensive. And to be honest, for every 1,500 views, I make $1. So we don't make much here on YouTube. So for me right now, at this point in time, around the season, having still kids that I need to buy gifts for, I don't want to waste electricity at all. I try to do my best on keeping everything off, turn on candles, stay in the dark as much as I possibly can. I don't even really watch TV right now. We're going to cut these tabs off. I know it's still a little wet, but that's a sacrifice I'm willing to make so that I don't have to use any electricity. And I'm not going to say no more because then people will get all nasty about what I say. Okay. Just going to cut off these tabs. They can be, like I mentioned, they can be turned into so many things. You can make art tiles. You can make beads from them. Oh my gosh, we're so creative. We can make so many things from really nothing, and that's the best. The best. And when you make it yourself, believe in yourself, just feel free, you end up creating some amazing things. And if they don't come out just right at the moment that you want them to come out, the way you're kind of feeling, like it's not transpiring onto the paper, then put it away. Put it aside. Work on something else. And then come back to it. Okay, I want to make some postcard sizes, and I'm just going to grab my pen. And usually I do 3.5 by 5.5 are the sizes of my postcards. Would be nice to have a cutter at this point in time. Oh, I'm already going sideways. Ugh. It's okay. I can clean it up. No big deal. Try to keep my hand sturdy and straight. Isn't it funny when you cut into, not funny, strange feeling, when you cut into cardboard and you can actually feel the knot in the cardboard? I don't know if you guys have ever felt a knot in your cardboard. 3.5 by 5.5. There's a knot right here. I could feel it. You can hear it. Listen. It's right, oh, right there. Try to keep my scissors straight. Still not straight. It's okay. Handmade postcard. I'm going to cut a few, and then they're going to be ready for you guys. So you can head over to my Patreon. All of December, postcards are $6. January, they will be $10. Go potty. I'm going to take you to go potty. I love taking you to go potty because then I get a nice fresh air in my face. Oh yeah. Give me 1 minute. I'll take you right now. Nice breeze in my face. It's always nice. Wake me up a little bit. And I'll cut this one more, and then the next video you see from me will be me creating, as a matter of fact, I might as well cut all the way up. That's what makes sense, right? There we go. I could have made my life much easier by doing that earlier. I don't know what I was saying. Look how pretty that is. That looks like a geometrical, one of those gem rocks right there. That's really pretty. So these will be put aside. What was I saying about the dogs? Gotta take her to go potty. Imagine us having to ask somebody to, well, some of us do have to ask other people to take us potty if we have a medical condition. Imagine making them wait and somebody makes us wait. It's just not fair. So, I'm going to say, I'll see you in the next video where we create postcards and send them out. This one's a little big, but that's okay. My dog needs to go pee. I'll be back. I'll see you guys in a few days. Bye.